we know that children are naturally artists. So that's what we want them to be, and we don't want them to stop being that. Like sponges, they take everything, they repeat everything, and that is how they naturally learn the language. That means that whatever they do is part of their body, is part of their life, and they don't even realize that they're studying, especially in English, because it is a whole day in already Italian, and then we continue the other part of the day in English. So we know that they can't concentrate all day. It has to be joy, and through that joy, they love it. They want to continue. They don't want to go home. We do spend so many hours, but they do not get tired because we consider the rhythm. We find rhythm everywhere in nature. Why should we not find it in the day?